Guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing good. Okay, so if you're a first time watcher of my channel, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Swati and my channel is called Swati Lovely Life. So before I begin today's video, I want to thank one and all the subscribers of my channel. I have reached 30 subscribers and it's all because of you subscribers that I'm really glad to reach one of the milestones of my channel. So loads and loads of love to all those subscribers and loads of love to the first time watchers of my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like the contents. So without wasting much time, let me begin my video. So today I'm going to review this product, Raspberry and Peppermint Nourishing Hand Cream by Good Vibes. Okay, so this is a packaging. Okay guys, so this is a 50-gram pack that I have with me. This contains no parabens, no sulfates and cruelty free. And this is a package that is this is a product that is made out of raspberry and peppermint. So let me read out the ingredients and tell you the uses of these ingredients one by one. So raspberry and peppermint, this is what is written in the packet. So let me read. Because well, raspberry and peppermint, okay. So it is a deeply moisturizing hand cream for smooth skin. So guys, the reason I chose to review a hand cream today is because as you all know, hand cream, we have been using a lot of soap on our hands these days. Once we go out, we come back, we need to wash our hands. When we are around, we need to use a lot of hand sanitizers, many times hand washes. So think the condition of our hand, isn't it? So that's the reason I'm going to review this product today. Okay. So it's crafted with passion, skills, fresh ingredients and skin expertise to pamper and nourish your hands. After all in life, all you ever need is love, soft hands and good vibes. Okay, so this is what is written. How to use, I will show how to use in this video after we discuss about this product. Okay, so it also says that you have to be careful of do not use this product on areas where you have scratches, eczema or dermatitis. Avoid contact with eyes. Discontinue use if signs of irritation or rashes appear. So if you have watched my previous videos, I had shared this information that I'm not comfortable with all the moisturizers. Usually a few moisturizers, when I use them, I tend to get rashes after say 3 or 4 hours. So there's the same thing with this as well. If you're getting rashes, please avoid using this and keep out of reach of children. Okay, so the ingredients on this product, raspberry extract, mentha, which is mint, apple extract, carrot extract, wheat germ oil, caprylic triglyceride. Guys, this is nothing but the component that is formed when you mix coconut oil with glycerin. Okay, so again in different words, they have coconut oil separately, glycerin separately, product formed by glycerin and coconut oil, what and all, chemical combination separately. So I'm not going to mention all of them. So there is stearic acid, which is usually used in all these cosmetic products. Then there is glyceryl stearate, stearic acid. Okay, let me tell you something about stearic acid. Stearic acid is usually present in cocoa butter or shea butter, and it is something that provides you with a cooling sensation. Okay, so that is stearic acid. Then we have glycerin. There is propylene. Propylene is one such component which when used, restores the hydration of your skin. It doesn't let you lose the hydration or the water content. So that's the reason in some of the moisturizing product you find this product called propylene. Okay. Then there is purified water, and then there is phenoxyethanol. Phenoxyethanol is nothing but a form of alcohol. Okay guys, now comes the point, how do you use a hand cream? So I'll show you the consistency of this product first. So yes, this is the consistency of the product. So to use a hand cream also, you need to keep the hand cream like this on your on back side of your hand. Then rub it across with the back side of your hand itself like this first. Then you have to rub it towards the ends of your nails, and then rub your two hands like this between the finger and like this. Actually, to speak about the smell, I didn't like it much. I feel it somewhat like a syrupy smell, not much of my favorite smell. But yeah, the product is good. I really enjoy the feel this gives to on my hands. It feels really soft, nourished, and really too good, guys. So yeah, I would say if you're not too much into the smell side of the product, you can definitely try this. It's a very good one. It nourishes your skin. It provides you good feel once you apply this. Okay, so before I end this product, I want to give you one important information. So the information is, it was some like 2 or 3 years ago I started using hand creams. But at that time I had this question, even today many of them would have this question as to why can't you, when you're using a moisturizer, why can't you use a moisturizer on your hands too? What would cause anything? So I researched on this and I found the difference. Okay, so nowadays we go out, our hands are the ones that are actually facing a lot of harshness, because every now and then we sanitize our hands, every now and then we wash our hands. It's non-stop washing, and imagine what would happen to the skin on your hand. So the difference is just this, that moisturizer can get washed away very easily, but hand creams have this property where they don't get washed away so easily. They moisturize your skin compared to a moisturizer for a longer time. So that's the reason your hand would stay nourished, and you would feel the difference, that your hands are really getting benefited because of this cream. Okay guys, so this is about today's topic. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to support me by subscribing to my channel, and guys, please do like, share and comment. Please comment and let me know if you are looking for any improvements, and I'm thanking all those friends who have shared their valuable comments on my improvement. And last but not the least guys, happy Friendship Day. Okay, and that's it for now. Have a good day. Take care. Love you all. Bye bye.